Hello everyone, you're watching your channel CyberSucks. In this video, we will see how to install Ubuntu in virtual machine. As I'm using virtual VMware, we will see this installation in VMware. So let's get started. At first, go to Google and search download Ubuntu. I'm downloading Ubuntu 22. You can download your version. Download Ubuntu from its official site and the very first link. When the site is opened, you can see desktop image. Click on right link. The downloading will start immediately. I have already downloaded the Ubuntu image, so I will start the installation Ubuntu in VMware. This is VMware interface. We will start installing Ubuntu here. First, create new virtual machine and proceed next. In the installation disk image, browse the Ubuntu image file we have downloaded recently. I have downloaded my Ubuntu here, as you can see. You can browse your file from where you have downloaded and click next. Here you can give a virtual machine username and password. You can give any username and password. I suggest keep it simple. Then click on next button. Here in Ubuntu machine name, you can give any name. I will keep this name Ubuntu. And here give the virtual machine location where you have stored our virtual machine data. I have created a separate folder for my machine. You can give any location you want. I'll give my virtual machine 30 GB storage. We'll select the below option. In this section, select RAM, network type and all. I'll give RAM as 3 GB and leave all section as it is. And then proceed next. This will start booting itself. Just wait and watch. It will take some time to boot, and when the boot is completed, this will show Ubuntu desktop screen. This is a step to install Ubuntu. Just follow this step. Select the keyboard layout as it is, or select your preferred layout and click next. We'll keep the minimum installation and proceed. If you are selecting normal installation, it will install extra packages and also reserve maximum storage. I suggest to go with minimum installation, and later on you can install packages as your need. Here, select the installation type. Click on first option. It will erase the disk and install freshly. It will not delete the primary OS or its data. It will clean only the folder you have assigned for this virtual machine, so don't worry. Give your location. Here, give your Ubuntu login name, username and password. This credentials is used to log in your Ubuntu system. And don't forget your username and password also. Once everything is done, it will start installation process. This process will take time. Let me forward the process for you. Once the installation is done, it will ask you to restart the PC. Just restart the PC and let's finish the process. When the process is done, it will open login page automatically. Use your Ubuntu login credentials you have created before. Once you are logged in, then follow these simple steps. This is a simple process. Once the process is completed, your Ubuntu system is installed. That's it for today. Please comment below if you have any issue.